Hello, sir.
As you know that today is Wednesday and especially for table talk, so where is my turn?
Hi sir.
Hi sir.
Sir, what is your name?
My name is Hanikumar. I come from Ranapur nearby Siana.
Where is your native place?
My native place also in village.
Sir, what is your father's name?
My father's name is Mr. Sanjay Singh. He is a farmer.
Okay. Thank you.
Thank you sir.
Hi, sir.
Hi ma'am.
Sir, can you tell me what is motivation?
I want to tell you about the motivation that if a person is giving us any type of speech that is very emotion. That is very emotion. So that is called motivation as I seem such.
So, can you tell me how many type of motivation?
As I seem, I don't know how many type of motivation, but still I told you what is motivation.
I don't know.
Because of I never told, means I never remind that how many type of motivation.
Okay, thank you.
Thank you.
Hi, sir.
Hi ma'am.
So, sir, can you tell me that what is friendship?
If I talk about the friendship, as we go anywhere and we have no one without us, by which we can talk to anyone, that means now no one is, as we go outside and there a person came to us that hi sir, hi friend, and then he will tell you your name, that what is your name, where from you came, and then the friendship can be, and after that means
Sir, how can we pay friendship?
what
How can we pay friendship?
means I don't know what you said, pay.
Nibhana.
Means if we are doing any type of work, what he told us that sir, would you like to take me water, and we gave him water, and if he is doing any type of work we are doing, so that is pain.
Okay,
Thank you ma'am.
hi, sir.
Hi ma'am.
So, would you like to tell me something about, governor? What is governor?
It means that, would you like to tell me in the meaning of governor?
No, I first of what is the meaning of this?
I also don't know.
Okay. So, would you like to tell me that we don't know something about, other things? So, how can we know easily?
Means first of all, a person is telling us anything, first we should remind that what he told us, it can come in next time. What he told, that he told that there is no one, and we didn't see that there is a no one, but still we went there, but there was ghost and he ate us. So that is, we should remind anything what a person told us.
Okay. Why mobile tells us that which and types of work we should do.
What?
If we search on mobiles and types of things, so how mobile tells us?
Because of I also don't know, but still I am telling, if we are searching any type of things in Google, I also don't know why it can, as we search the anything in Google, why it come in 1 to 2 seconds. So as I seem, means I don't know that why it can come in 1 and 2 seconds.
Okay. Who searched the app?
Who
Do you know?
applications? Yeah, app also applications. Means I don't know who searched.
Okay.
Who was the father of application?
Okay, thank you.
Thank you ma'am.
Hello, sir.
Hi ma'am.
So you know wherever the war is going on, it is the effect of our air. That air that we are inhaling, so it is very harmful for us. So how can we clean the air?
Air means air fog.
Air.
I am unable to understand. Would you like to tell me another way?
It's mean fog.
Means how we can remove?
Yeah.
So first of all, we never remove it, because of, means as the factories are running day by day, by it means fog comes from there.
Sir, my question
So
is war is going on. It is the effect of our air.
means as you said for warn, so warn
War.
means, would you like to tell me in the meaning of it? Yuddh. So if I talk about it, so I don't know more about it, because of I never reminded about it.
Okay, so how can we remove the air fog?
How we can remove? First of all, we never.
रिपीटेशन क्यों है? तुम्हें समझ में नहीं आया उनकी बात उन्होंने क्या बोली?
No sir.
तो तुम्हें कहना चाहिए था ना.
But I said, and then she changed her question.
हाँ, तो तुमने तुम्हारा लास्ट क्वेश्चन क्या था?
So मेरा last question था, how can we remove the fog?
तो तुमने क्या
means but she said warm
So my first question था war.
and then she changed.
हाँ she changed, बट बाद में उन्होंने जब फॉग बोला तो तुमने उनके पीछे फॉग क्यों बोला? फॉग
Okay.
अगर समझ में नहीं आती तो उनसे बोलो ना, रिपीट प्लीज, पार्ट प्लीज, आई डिड नॉट गेट यू।
Okay.
उनके क्वेश्चन को लास्ट के दो, ये बहुत सारे स्टूडेंट्स की बहुत गंदी प्रॉब्लम है। स्टूडेंट्स सामने से कोई क्वेश्चन पूछता है तो उसके क्वेश्चन के लास्ट के दो वर्ड्स को रिपीट करेंगे। किसी ने सामने से पूछा व्हाट डज योर फादर डू? फादर डू। ओके, व्हाट्स योर मदर्स नेम? मदर्स नेम। अरे क्या है? डिड यू नॉट गेट द क्वेश्चन? इफ यू डिड नॉट गेट द क्वेश्चन, अगर आपको कोई क्वेश्चन समझ में नहीं आया तो ज़्यादा बेहतर है उसको दोबारा से पूछने के लिए कह दो, दोबारा से उसको बोलने के लिए कह दो। अगर समझ में आ चुका है तो प्रॉपर उत्तर दो, ये पीछे से रिपीट मत करो सामने वाले का क्वेश्चन। स्टार्ट करो।
Oh sir, I listened that your board exam about to come. So I think that you are studying 10th class and you are not you didn't join tuition coaching.
Means in which sir I used to go to tuition, maths tuition. Now he close to teach because of now he is teaching. Now he is saying that now from today I will not teach in school. He used to teach in Bhukan Saran Gandhi Memorial, but still now he is not teaching.
So are you fearing?
Means what is
The board exam is.
do you know why I should fear? As I passed my before 10th classes, as I can pass, means why I should take tension about it?
Because that 10th class is very hard. Then
I know very well why it is hard. Means why the books are present in our life.
Okay sir, thank you.
Thank you. Now I have done. Thank you guys.